Howdy folks, Timber Drifter here. Well, this is inconvenient. That's my shed there. Where I recorded the last video is right in front of that. At that time the roof was clear of snow. That was 2 days ago. That video, I was at one point I looked up looking at the sky and I could tell either snow or rain was coming. I could feel the static electricity in the air, and the sky had a sort of a brown hue to it. It didn't end up snowing that day, but the next day we got, I call it ice snow. It's not really snowflakes as much as it's ice. And then last night it looks like we got, I can't tell, 10 to 14 inches maybe, something like that. It's packing pretty well. I'm not sinking down into it more than about a foot. It is gorgeous. It's just typical spring weather here. It's nothing special. Good April Fool's Day. When I woke up this morning, all my windows were covered in snow. Couldn't see outside, which means there must have been quite a lot of wind and drifting. You see how caked up all the balsam fir trees are there? If you went walking through there right now, you'd end up soaking wet in about a minute. So my typical spring, look at my snowstorm video. Well, the sun's coming out. I need to get to the bank, and I have my doubts about whether the roads are clear enough for me to be driving on them. Might have to wait till Monday. Inconvenient, but beautiful. Well, that's all. Take care. Happy April Fool's Day. Get outside.